Hey, so I picked up the Yoshimura exhaust for the Honda CBR300R. I have 2015 CBR300R, and just looking to get a little bit of power, a little bit more power out of it. It's a great little bike, commuting. But I want a little bit of sound and maybe a little bit more power. So nice to report that it does feel a little bit more like there's something there, which is good. And one of the bigger things when I was looking around, I never really got a good review of the sound. Honestly, the Yoshimura exhaust is pretty loud. And so that's what I want to give you kind of an idea of how loud it is. With the baffle in, I can't even imagine without the, if you don't have the baffle in, it's just got to be crazy. Yeah, so go ahead and turn it on and kind of give you some information. Okay, so before I crank it up, just kind of let you see how it is. It's an attractive slip-on. This is the stainless steel with the carbon fiber tip. Yeah, looks pretty good. I have no complaints about that. You can see you've got the baffle in. But yeah, it gives a nice, nice appearance to the bike. Okay, now to give some reference to the noise level, I'm going to use the noise app. It's on my Apple Watch, and you can see we're just standing outside, and obviously my voice increases it. I'll go ahead and crank it up, and then we'll be able to take a look and see how loud it is with just sitting here after it's cranked up. All right, so just sitting right now, well, I'm talking right at it, but you can see about 67, and all right, so idling, you're about 70 decibels. Okay, so I've taken my watch off, and I've just putting it over here so you can see maybe how the sound is throughout the RPM range. Okay, so as you can see, it's about, you know, once you get to around 9,000 RPMs, it hits 100 decibels, which is, to put into perspective, about the sound of a chainsaw or a drill. So you can see if you're pretty close to it, you want to be wearing some earplugs. You know, with my helmet on and earplugs haven't been a problem at all. I'm not really in the camp of loud pipes save lives. I've had people, you know, nearly run me over regardless, but it's definitely something to, you know, kind of not too expensive to improve the your ride if you want. It's kind of weird because I get on my BMW, I have an F800 S, and I get on that now and it sounds super quiet. You know, there's no exhaust sound at all, which is kind of funny. So anyways, all right, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully that's been helpful for anybody in the market looking for specifically the Yoshimura exhaust on the CBR300 line. Thanks.